Hi friends. Welcome to a new learning video on Pharmaguideline. In this video, we will discuss why 3 consecutive batches are considered for validation in pharmaceuticals. The requirement of conducting 3 consecutive batches for validation in the pharmaceutical industry is based on statistical principles and aims to ensure consistency and reliability of the manufacturing process. It provides a higher level of confidence in the validation results and enhances the overall quality assurance of pharmaceutical products. Here are some key reasons why 3 consecutive batches are typically chosen for validation. Statistical significance. Conducting validation studies on a minimum of 3 consecutive batches allows for statistical analysis and inference. It helps in assessing the variation within the process and determining the overall process capability. By analyzing multiple batches, any potential batch-to-batch variability or outliers can be identified, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the manufacturing process. Process understanding. Validation studies require a thorough understanding of the manufacturing process, including the critical parameters and their impact on product quality. By analyzing multiple batches, manufacturers gain a deeper insight into the process, including its inherent variability and potential sources of variation. This understanding helps in optimizing the process and implementing appropriate control measures to ensure consistent product quality. Verification of consistency. Validation is not a one-time event but an ongoing process to ensure the consistency and reliability of product manufacturing. By evaluating 3 consecutive batches, manufacturers can verify the reproducibility and consistency of the process, ensuring that the product meets predefined quality standards consistently. It helps in identifying any potential issues or deviations that may occur across different batches. Risk identification and mitigation. Validation studies aim to identify and mitigate potential risks associated with the manufacturing process. By evaluating 3 consecutive batches, manufacturers can detect any systematic errors, equipment malfunction, or process deviations that may impact product quality. It allows for the implementation of appropriate corrective actions and process improvements to minimize risks and ensure consistent product quality. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory authorities, such as the FDA and other global health agencies, often require manufacturers to validate their processes and demonstrate their capability to consistently produce quality products. Conducting validation studies on 3 consecutive batches aligns with regulatory expectations and provides documented evidence of process validation, strengthening compliance with regulatory guidelines. Conducting validation studies on 3 consecutive batches in the pharmaceutical industry enhances statistical significance, process understanding, consistency verification, risk identification, and regulatory compliance. It allows manufacturers to assess the process capability, identify and address potential variations, and ensure the production of high-quality pharmaceutical products consistently. Like the video, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching this video.